You're a banana?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Affirmative.
Take it easy there.
Okay.
How many hats do you own?
Does it look like I could wear hats? Come on. No, I don't own hats.
What did you want to be when you were 12?
Well, I've always had this crazy dream of being a banana, you know. I wanted to be a banana, for real.
You weren't born a banana?
No, I had to work for this. One is in the process of becoming a banana. To swear not to tell, so don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You sure this isn't a costume?
It's no. Pardon me.
What would you say is your worst quality?
I have a really bad anger problem. I get mad.
Okay.
I'm a little hard of hearing in my left lobe. Come again?
You could choose to be any food. What would it be?
You really have to ask that. Be a banana, duh. I'm a banana. That's what I do. I'm an extraordinary species.
A banana.
For real.